Hey y'all, it's me, Miss A, and this video is all about the best way to scan and email your work to me before your session. So I'm going to get ready and share screen. What you want to do is you want to use an app called Cam Scanner. And so here is my phone, and right here you can see the Cam Scanner app. You want to open the Cam Scanner app. And there may be ads or things. Now there of course is a paid version. I actually use the paid version, but you don't have to use the paid version. And what you want to do is you want to click on the bottom right hand corner, that little icon of the camera. And I'm going to do an example. So let's pretend like this is homework that a student is going to send to me. Notice how it says batch mode, especially if you're going to be sending more than one page. This is the best way to do it. So you're going to take a picture. You're going to make sure you have the full picture. There's one. Then I'm going to say, okay, I also want to send Miss A another page of homework. Let's pretend this is the second one, right? Take another picture. Then if you're all done with however many pages you want to send me, you're going to click on the image. And at the top, I like to rename the file, right? So I always say it's a good idea to put the student's name. Let's pretend that the student's name is Nicole. And then whatever date it is. So it happens to be August 24th here. So I'm going to put 8/24/24. And I'm going to click OK. Then you can take a look. You can see both of the pages. If you need to, you can always crop. There is an option to crop. If for whatever reason there's other things in the picture that you don't want me to see or in the background, click on the little checkbox. And then we're going to share it. So here, and I always choose share PDF. And I'm gonna go to my Gmail here on my phone. And I'm gonna you'll see that it'll be attached to your Gmail, right? Type in my email address, academiccoach7@gmail.com, and then I'm going to send. So that is how you scan and email pages. It can be notes from class. It could be homework that you need help with. It could be homework that you've already done, but of course you want me to see what you're working on. And so you're going to send me a copy of it so that I can support you best. But that is a great way to send over and to scan your work and email it to me before our session. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day and keep shining.